Nestled amidst the verdant landscapes of Cambodia's Siem Reap province, the Bakong Temple stands as a testament to the grandeur and architectural prowess of the Khmer Empire. Built in the early 9th century under the reign of King Indravarman I, Bakong is not just a temple but a sacred complex that served as the state temple of the ancient city of Harihalaya. Approaching Bakong Temple, you are immediately struck by its sheer size and commanding presence. The temple is the centerpiece of the Roluos group, located about 12 kilometers east of Angkor Wat, making it one of the earliest temples of the Angkor region. As you enter the temple grounds, you are greeted by a grand procession of stone elephants, each serving as a guardian to this sacred space. The main structure, a stepped pyramid representing Mount Meru, the cosmic center of Hindu cosmology, rises majestically above the surrounding landscape. Its terraces are adorned with intricate carvings depicting scenes from Hindu mythology, showcasing the Khmer Empire's devotion to the gods. Ascending the steep staircase to the summit of the temple, you are rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside, with rice paddies extending as far as the eye can see and distant mountains adding to the temple's sense of grandeur. At the top, the main sanctuary houses a central lingam, a symbol of the Hindu god Shiva, surrounded by intricately carved bas-reliefs depicting various Hindu deities and mythological scenes. The attention to detail and craftsmanship is awe-inspiring, reflecting the Khmer artisan's mastery of stone carving. Exploring the temple complex further, you come across libraries, galleries, and secondary shrines, each contributing to the overall spiritual significance of Bakong. Surrounding the temple are lush gardens and ponds, providing a tranquil setting for contemplation and meditation. Despite the passage of centuries, Bakong Temple remains a place of pilgrimage and reverence for both locals and tourists alike. Its timeless beauty and historical significance continue to captivate visitors from around the world, offering a glimpse into Cambodia's rich cultural heritage and the Khmer Empire's profound spiritual legacy. As you bid farewell to Bakong, you carry with you the memories of its magnificence, a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and devotion. As you step into the ancient world of Angkor, a masterpiece of Khmer architecture rises before you, the magnificent Bakong Temple. Situated amidst the lush Cambodian landscape, this temple stands as a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual devotion of the Khmer Empire. Bakong Temple, located in the Roluos group of temples near Siem Reap, is one of the earliest mountain temples built by the Khmer civilization in the 9th century. It served as the state temple of King Indravarman I, dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. Approaching the temple complex, you're immediately struck by its grandeur. The central pyramid-like structure, known as the main sanctuary, dominates the skyline, rising above the surrounding plains like a beacon of ancient power and mysticism. As you draw closer, you pass through a series of concentric enclosures, each marked by towering stone walls and ornate gateways adorned with intricate carvings depicting Hindu deities and mythological scenes. Entering the inner sanctum, you find yourself in the presence of the main temple tower, a massive structure built of sandstone blocks. Ascending its steep steps, you feel a sense of reverence wash over you as you marvel at the intricate bas-reliefs that adorn its walls, depicting scenes from Hindu epics, such as the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. From the top of the main sanctuary, you are rewarded with sweeping views of the surrounding countryside, with rice paddies stretching to the horizon and distant mountains shrouded in mist. Below, you can see the layout of the temple complex, with secondary towers, libraries, and shrines arranged in concentric squares, symbolizing the sacred Mount Meru, the mythical center of the universe in Hindu cosmology. Exploring further, you discover intricately carved lintels, doorways, and colonnades, each telling a story of devotion and divine kingship. In the courtyard, stone sculptures of lions and mythical creatures guard the sacred space, while ornamental pools reflect the play of light and shadow, creating a sense of tranquility amidst the bustling temple grounds. Despite the passage of centuries and the ravages of time, Bakong Temple remains a place of pilgrimage and reverence, drawing visitors from around the world to experience its ancient beauty and spiritual significance. As you bid farewell to this majestic monument, you carry with you the echoes of history and the timeless wisdom of the Khmer civilization.